This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb holder by releasing its plastic retaining clip and then disconnecting it. Rotate the bulb and holder counterclockwise, then pull it straight out. When installing the new bulb, be sure not to touch the bulb with your fingers, as the oils from your skin can ruin the bulb. Install the new bulb, aligning the notches, then rotate it clockwise to secure it in place. Connect the electrical connector and make sure the plastic retaining clip locks into place, ensuring a good connection.